Ooh, I feel like Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Doo 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 doo.
Hey, magical crafters. I have watched about 3 dozen videos, all on the same topic, how to make your own dress form. And I have found there's 3 common things that people like to do out of all those videos I've seen. One is to make plaster out of your body. Put the plaster on your body. That's number one. Two, duct tape and saran wrap. And three is the bootstrap dress form pattern that you can buy, right? So obviously, as a mom to littles, that first one, plaster your body, that is out of the question. There's no way I'm gonna be plastering my body and then having my little one go over there and mess with all the plaster stuff and make a giant mess. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. So that one's scratched out the list. The second one, saran wrap and duct tape. I have watched so many people do this, and they have mixed reviews, mixed results. Some people love it, some people don't. Also, loads of people have mixed reviews about the bootstrap pattern as well. It's about those two, it's 50-50 on people liking it and not liking it, having some issues and not having issues, right? So, I decided to make my own dress form, but using the duct tape and saran wrap method first. So, this video is going to be all about that. But if I have found out anything about watching all of these videos, I have learned a little something. And I wrote them down and got my paper right here. So I don't forget it when I'm trying to tell you. The main thing, all these tips, all these videos, I've watched so many people, I've found new people that is like awesome to watch. And also, did you know Adam Savage has 2 videos about dress forms? One from an amazing cosplay person that just totally blanked on her. But she had this cool dress form that zips in half, and then the other one's with another person where they actually make a body like pictures. You put on this specific outfit, and then it specifically gets your body measurements, how you stand. It is down to the T, guys, but that's very, very expensive, and my budget is like this little tiny, okay? So, some of the things I have found about duct taping to consider is masking tape works better than duct tape. And if adding foam on the top, you take about an inch away in measurements due to the foam adding onto it. Now that's the spray foam that I was talking about on there. Lots of people, they might use spray foam to fill up their duct tape form. Well, I don't want to do that. That's going to be expensive, right? Trying to keep my budget in check here. And you need an old shirt. Everybody says old shirt, old shirt. So we need that on the list. Old shirt and somebody to help you. Um, the first two, you need people helping. The last one, you don't need anybody to help you with. You can just do it all by yourself. And lots of people use different kind of stuffing. I decided to go with a pillow that I bought from Walmart for stuffing. And when you do take the stuffing out, kind of squish it a little bit, mold it again before just taking out the pillow and put it in there. Kind of like take it out and then put it in there, right? And press and seal instead of saran wrap. I thought about doing that, but I just decided to use the saran wrap instead. Now, I got hubby to help me wrap myself in saran wrap, and then he added the masking tape. Now, I thought I put enough masking tape around the booby section to try to give me a nice mold up there, but I think we kind of messed up on the saran wrapping part. We should have saran wrapped that part first in the front ways and then go around your body sideways, right? I think that's where we messed up. Probably. But after we did saran wrap, and my daughter here is holding the camera, and I think she's enjoying being camera person today. After she did that, we put the masking tape on, wrapped it around, and then Handsome cut me out. And I realized I forgot to get stuffing. So, to Walmart we go. Found the big pillow, but, guys, body pillows used to be bigger than this. What happened? So, I don't want to get this. I did see the two small pillows that's only $3.44, and that's about the same amount that you get in the big pillow, which is good. So I grabbed two of the small pillows for $3.44 each. And then went back home. Handsome wanted some chips to make some steak nachos, leftover steak, because yes, we had steak again. And leftover steak is just delicious to add things. Okay, this is one dish, nachos. Throw that steak on there, nachos. Heat it up with the cheese and the bacon, and then dip it in the queso sauce. So good. Well, after that little appetizer snack, I got to add more tape to my body form. I had to put it back together. After taking it off and getting it cut out, I had to put it back together. And so after I did that, I took some cardboard, which is Handsome's box, and I cut it up. I flipped the body molds over to where the holes are out, and I kind of measured, circled the holes that's showing, like right here, you see. And then I cut it out, and then I strategically, I put the tape on the mold, the body mold, taped the cardboard on the body mold and put it together. And after all the holes are sealed up, the last hole needs to be filled up too, so I had to take my pillow, cut it open, get the stuffing out, squish the stuffing a little bit, and then stuffing it. And also, we smoked a brisket last night, or a corned beef brisket for St. Patty's Day, which is the next day, but we did it today, so, because I'm not a smoker. I don't work the grill, guys. I work the inside oven, okay? He does that. And can you just take a look at this? The man in his natural habitat, cutting the meat he's been smoking today, and enjoying the process. And also, I forgot to move my camera over, so most of this is just parts, a little bit of me, and most of him cutting up the meat. You're welcome. But after that, it's just all there. So this is what it looks like after all stuffed, right? Now, did I make a body double? Yes and no. It's not exactly my measurement, so I definitely have a sister and not an identical twin. But with that said, it's pretty close to me. After these are the measurements, me and the body double. And you can see it's kind of off, way off in some areas. So I decided to add string to the body. I did it right underneath the bust, and after pulling it around a few times to tighten it up, I got the underbust to my exact measurement, which is 36. So my measurement and the body double dress form with the string on is 36. I guess using tape and saran wrap is an okay way to make a body double of yourself. It's not the best, and also people have said the same thing, right? And it is squishy. I think if I keep it like this, I have two options in my head. If I, one, keep it like this, I want to cut it open again, take the bottom out, put a cardboard support inside to where when I put the stuffing in, it won't be so squishy, right? It'll have more support. Now, the other way I was thinking of is to cut this dress form up. Kind of like when cosplayers use saran wrap and duct tape. They saran wrap part of their body, and then they draw on it and then they cut it up, and that's their pattern pieces, and they trace that onto paper, and then they trace the paper onto their fabric and cut it up and sew it up, right? So I was thinking about doing that, which would probably be closer to my measurements, and then I could just add here and there or take away what I need to make it exactly my form. Or I could probably go and try out a bootstrap pattern, dress form pattern. I don't know. That's a lot of work in itself too, but I think that's something for future me to think about, because this week is my daughter's birthday week and she's turning the big 5. And that means all my personal projects have to be put on pause because I am now in birthday making mode. I gotta make a dinosaur birthday cake and dinosaur cupcakes, which I think we both know those cupcakes are gonna have some dinosaur sprinkles on them instead. I'll probably make the dinosaur cake, probably a T-Rex, because she loves T-Rexes. T-Rexes. So I'll make that. And then she's been talking about panada. I don't know if she wants mini panadas or big panadas, but I'm gonna have to make that too. And with that, I have to go. This is it. It's a short video. I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. There's a few takeaways that I hope you take away yourself. I did a lot of researching, and although this is my first idea, it is first to get my fingers wet into making my own dress form. I'm probably gonna make another one. Tell you the truth, I will definitely make a new one. But that's not gonna be right now, as I said. So take care, you beautiful souls. I'll see you next time. You're beautiful, amazing. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Have a good day. Bye.
Also, I forgot to mention, if you was keeping track, I was trying to keep into budget, and this only cost me about 20 bucks. A little under 20 bucks to be like $15. The pillow, I only used one pillow, that was $3.44. Saran wrap, I feel like that was $3. The masking tape, I only used one roll. That was $4.57, I think. Tape, pillow, masking tape, saran wrap. That's it. It's actually under $15. So if you got 20 bucks to spend, make you something that's kind of close to your measurements if you need it. This will do it. All right, bye.